always say, man, focus on quality, being intentional, and your delivery is gonna blow you out of the water. You gotta really hone in on understanding what you're trying to get out of each workout. I always start off with a pre-exhaustion where we're focusing on a single joint movement, followed by a compound. My second set is 3-second eccentrics. My third set's ascending pyramids. And my fourth is gonna be pause reps, really squeezing and holding at the top position, and then in a controlled manner. Then my fifth set is gonna be a drop set till failure.
I just wanna be fresh, I just wanna be king. I'm so proud of all the pinnacles that I've been reaching. Got a model type chick, she got a few beefsteaks. Love the way she pop that little booty in the G-string. Sitting in the hot tub, shawty give me back rub, shawty give me mad love. Can't nobody top us, top of the world, body and Clyde tight.
The ultimate goal is time under tension, like we all know. You have to understand how much is adequate in order for you to see growth. You know, if you're a beginner intermediate, I want you to continue to stay within between 2 to 4 and anywhere between 8 to 12 for hypertrophy. You know, once you get more advanced and you want to focus on taking it to the next level, you know, this is one of the ways you can do it. Even though this is a lot of volume, it's not considered overtraining because my muscular endurance. You're trying to take in so much information and apply it when it took years of trial and error. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter what course you take, what coach you get, nothing's gonna come overnight. The moment you understand and you realize that the journey for what it is, you'll get a lot more out of it. It's tough on social media, maybe because so many people is trying to perceive just to get gratification that really wasn't earned. And for the individuals who really worked hard for it, bro, they put in real work, you know what I'm saying? There was no second guess and they did what was needed even when it didn't feel like it. And that's all it comes down to. Once you get that, you drill that in, you eliminate the amount of excuses that you give yourself before you say like, bro, I'm gonna just buckle it in. Only then will you be able to see results. You gotta realize if God's giving you this opportunity to live and tomorrow is guaranteed, what are you doing right now to proclaim the vision of yourself that you wanna see tomorrow? And once you really put in the work, you realize it didn't take that long. It just took you amount of effort to get rid of the excuses. You know, I try to make sure that I'm a walking testimony for you guys to understand what it looks like in order to obtain the unachievable. And it just comes down to your mentality. Hey, make the change, be the change, maximize the life you fitness, be you desire. My dog, this is a good one though. I'm gonna continue to roll it out just like this. I'm back into my element of really being able to create long form content. That's the ultimate goal where I want to be. And so we're here with it.
I don't tell them what I'm about to do, they see it when I did it.